Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, May 8th, a beautiful end to the first full week of May. A little bit of a speed bump to start off the weekend, but Mother's Day looks great. I'm meteorologist Jonathan Rocco. We're also just a little over 2 weeks out from Memorial Day, if you could believe that. But anyway, Friday means we have our drought monitor update, which was released yesterday. No surprises in this update. We still have that moderate drought for most of the region. And then if you're not in the moderate drought, you're in the severe drought for southern Ocean County, northern and western portions of Atlantic County, and most of Cape May County as well. You're all in that severe drought category. And it's likely going to expand, I would expect, in the coming weeks, so we'll keep an eye on this. Again, going to be a big problem here as we go into the end of the spring and into the summer. No big drought relief in the short term. It's going to lead to long-term problems, and we really need a good soaking rainfall, not just in one day, but a persistent wet pattern to really soak into the ground and bring us back into the opposite direction, a good direction. But again, no relief anywhere in the short term forecast here, especially for today. Plenty of sun, especially early today. Some clouds later on, but not a big deal. High temperatures today around the upper 60s to around 70 for inland areas, middle 60s for our beach location. So you do not need that umbrella for today, or even going into this evening. If you have any nighttime plans to go out, it looks to remain dry for the most part as well. Maybe a spotty shower here or there, but I think for the most part it remains on the drier side. And then going into Saturday, things are going to change a little bit. You will need the umbrella, especially for the afternoon hours. It looks like there may be some passing showers in the morning, then a little bit of a break, and then again, better chance for some showers and even some thunderstorms, non-severe thunderstorms Saturday afternoon, especially mid to late afternoon. So you're going to want the umbrella if you're out and about during the afternoon and even during the early evening hours, and then it settles down going into Saturday night, and we clear out for Mother's Day on Sunday. Again, not a lot of rain here, not even a quarter of an inch of rain, maybe a little over a tenth of an inch of rain in total for our Saturday. So not a soaker and not a drought buster by any stretch of the imagination. And again, we clear out nicely for Mother's Day. Maybe some high thin clouds around for Mother's Day, but no rain showers, and temperatures are going to surge to around 80 degrees for our inland areas, and then maybe some morning rain for Monday, and then Tuesday drier, and then Wednesday and Thursday we'll be tracking the threat for more potential rain showers. Again, if you're going down to the beaches for Mother's Day, temperatures there at the shoreline going to be right around 70 degrees, so a little bit above normal for this time of the year. Morning rain Monday, and then we'll track those cooler temperatures and rain shower chances for the middle of next week. Have a great day, everybody. Joe's still a little bit under the weather, but hopefully he'll be back with you tomorrow morning. So have a great weekend and have a great Mother's Day as well.